No way, bro! You got me a PS5?
You better believe that, kid. Today I'm gonna show you creative ways to wrap your Christmas gifts. Cause this is
something you can do in your pathetic life. This is something you'll probably forget after the video is over.
Hi guys, it's your favorite Christmas jingler Reto. Today we're wrapping Christmas gifts. Yes, you heard me right. Wrapping ourselves. We don't just do it the American way. Buy a box and throw a bow on it. No, we are wrapping them. Cause we're from Europe. We like it more delicate. Celebrate fine arts and culture. Anyway, let's get started. Welcome to Reto's Jingle Jingle Christmas Studio. We're starting off with the classic. First, keep in mind, bigger is always better. You want to be the generous boss, so get a big box. Do I need to compensate for something? Maybe. So get a big box, even if you give your friend a t-shirt. Sorry for spoiling Gina, but yeah, you get a t-shirt. Merry Christmas. You can also do it the other way around. Understatement. Use a tiny box and put something like a car key in it. But who's gonna do that? We're not David Dobrik's, aren't we?
Whose is that? Yours?
We're poor, and let's be honest, our gifts are trash anyway. Once you got the box, you need the right paper. So, you could go with the classics, something like this, or this, or this. Even if you don't have the right paper, no problem. You can use a newspaper, craft paper, or a garbage bag for your trash friends.
Improvise, adapt, overcome.
Or you print your own custom paper with the best photo you can find of your friend. Then go to Bauhaus Print Station. I love Bauhaus Print Station. And this is not even sponsored, so Bauhaus, if you see this, hit me up. Fold your newly printed paper carefully and you're done. Isn't it pretty? Such wow. Now we're coming to my personal favorite. I call this the Big Pretender. You probably give a brother a cheap-ass gift, like stuff you find in your basement that you don't use anymore. Something like that. But here comes the twist. You measure the box and look online for that PS5 box design. Once you found it, clean it up, copy the Sony logo, put the graphics on there, insert the high-res images, PS logo, and play like never before. And once again, you go to your favorite Bauhaus print station. Get the print, cut it out and put it on the box. Et voila! And of course, wrap the whole thing in transparent paper, so all your little cousins can see it on Christmas Eve and get super excited. By the way, you find my PS5 box preset in the description below. What's also a challenge is to wrap weird-shaped gifts. For example, I was looking online for a gift for my desperate Aunt Mary. Everyone knows she needs something like this. So I got her a big black roll. A black roll! I got her a black roll. And some gymnastic balls. Because honestly, Aunt Mary needs something to get back in shape. Then wrap everything and you have a nice What? Wait a minute. Did I just... Oh yes, I did. And last but not least, don't forget to write a beautiful card. Dear viewers, I hope you guys liked my video and got some gift wrapping ideas. Please subscribe for a real PS5. See you next time when you again learn
Absolutely nothing useful for your life.
Christmas! Ho 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 ho! Look at all my gifts! Do you see this round one? It's the best one. It's the subscription gift. Take it, come on. Merry Christmas! Ho 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 ho!